most cereal challenge mukbang island. You look. Let's just go ahead and get into this video. We got these new cereal, Crave, Strawberry, Crunch, whatever. We just going. The whole bag, the whole thing. I want to do mine. What you hand?
Look at that wrist.
Yeah, look at that wrist.
What the hell?
Look at that wrist. Milk.
Look at that wrist.
You can put as little or as much milk as you desire.
Hey, I'm for the whole container. You
The
said.
winner gets to get them a meal from their choice.
Huh?
Yeah,
Or just money.
a meal. I'm already ordering food, so I might as well. I only got like $5 in cash. They smell good. They smell good, right? Okay, stop putting your hand in it. All right. Hold on, wait a minute. Okay. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Go, 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 go.
I'll be started. I'm going to try this one.
You can go. You can go.
Okay. Honestly, y'all, I don't like these cereals.
They smell good, but I feel like they smell too good. I ain't never had these. They too sweet. God dang.
I'm gonna win.
It's like a bowl of sugar.
Mark, pass me them napkins.
I want some crab legs. Wow, damn, crab legs.
What's her name? Beloved. Hi. Hi. I see you, girl.
Remember, these sweet. You gonna be jumping off the wall. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. This is sweet. And I don't need almond milk in my cereal.
Honestly, this cereal to me is nasty. And I'm trying. I'm trying,
They
okay?
can't even see you because you left-handed.
Oh, my milk is pink.
Oh, it is. That's cute.
Y'all see my
How y'all feel about that coronavirus? How y'all feel about being out of school for up to 8 weeks?
Well, school, man, we still gonna be in school. I mean, they
Right.
still gave us work to do.
Well, I don't got work to do. They ain't give us nothing, so I'm kind of
I
happy.
think they're going to email it to the parents.
We got our laptops, okay? But I'm kind of sad because I wanted to try out for some teams for next year, and I can't do it because we not in
Look,
school.
coronavirus.
Y'all, I don't like how my cereal is. Look at this. This don't look right. Y'all, look at this. You want to see?
I can't even taste the chocolate in the middle. But they smell sweet. What?
You want some?
Ain't no more than half of getting some food.
I don't think I'm going to finish that though.
I tried. I think I ate like 2 tiny cereals.
I'm just trying on the video. Baby, we ain't going to make it in no 10 minutes. This is sweet.
4.
You can't taste the chocolate. This just tastes like strawberry milk crunched with crunched up granola crumbs.
Okay, y'all. We did say mukbang, okay?
No, for real. So, what? Put your hands out of there. You got that corona Bob.
Why you make me spit it out? You made me spit it out because I was laughing.
You hit me. Do you care about anybody else's emotions? Who's raising you? Why? You're supposed to say, I love everybody. You love me? Do you love mommy? Huh? Do you love mommy?
Y'all, am I the only one that smell the food before you eat it? Like, do you just ever?
It's some mine. I know these little crumbs and I got in my thing. See this crumb? I'm gonna beat you up. Nah, Maya don't want no cereal.
Oh. Y'all know what I think we should do?
What's up, guys? I'm Amaya and I'm back.
Y'all know what we should do next? Weird food
I was gonna
food combination.
No,
I'm
we
gonna do
should
the
do-
world's largest gummy candy.
Who eats the most noodles? I'll win that one.
Do the weird
No,
food.
I mean, we can go do the flaming hot ones from 99 Cent. They sell them now. The world hottest noodles, they sell them at
I'll
99
win
Cent.
that. I don't care.
The world hottest noodles, them look hot.
We should do the weird food combination like pickle and mayonnaise.
First of all, Crave, these get soft too quick. Look at this.
Look at my bowl, y'all. Look at my bowl.
This is turning into oatmeal. Like,
Mark, you just playing me. You nasty.
I done wasted my milk playing with these damn cereal.
It do look like strawberry oatmeal brown.
Hey, you only nasty.
Y'all, I think this video
You
is
is
done. I
nasty.
got hit in the eye. That look nasty. Mine's been soggy. He actually eating his, but he probably like them. But these are too sweet. They can't taste the chocolate.
You can't even tell this was ever milk in her.
Y'all comment down below what other videos I want me to do. I got reactions coming tomorrow, right? No. Say yes.
This look like boo-boo.
No. We eat it. No, that's nasty. No.
You could put somebody's face as a challenge. When you done, you tell them to go get some tissue.
No. 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 No.
Ava.
No.
Ava.
No. No. This is really just a talk video because
Look, Ava. Let me tell you.
they
Do not-
good.
Mar, you nasty, bro.
I do not
Mark,
recommend.
let's turn it up. Stop.
Y'all can follow me at @BobWithMike_and_everybody_underscore everybody with my spams. And I think that's the only three I have. I think let me check. Yeah.
Follow all my social medias. I be on Twitter the most. Instagram is getting lame. Snapchat been lame. And I'm finna get on TikTok. So go ahead and follow my TikTok at Dallas Made Des. You feel me? I just made it. So get ready for the bank of videos. Okay?
And I do not recommend
Y'all can
this
follow my
cereal.
TikTok.
I don't recommend it either.
Hey, y'all.
Unless you like sugar rushes.
Be quiet. This is my channel. Be quiet.
Boy, who is you talking
Be
to?
quiet.
No.
She just speak.
Well, you're not even.
You can follow my TikTok at @BobWithMike_.
Girl.
I actually do TikTok.
I'm finna be doing TikTok like every day now.
I do my TikToks daily. Follow me. Like W Chris.
I got like 30.
Yeah.
I usually posting random videos though.
Yeah, I just posted.
Y'all, subscribe to their YouTube channels. Get them to 100s. We're gonna do a reaction video as a family one day, and it's gonna be funny because everybody got their own perspective on stuff. But I'm just gonna end this video here if it's 10 minutes or not because this challenge was an epic fail. These cereal were too sweet, get soggy too quick, my milk pink.
So what y'all gonna throw out in the corner?
No, yeah, I'm in the trash or across the streets for the birds.
Hey, they gonna die.
No, they not. They just
See
gonna
y'all.
flying real fast.
See y'all.
Say love you.
Bye
Hey.
bye.
Here, you want to show them your outfit? Stand up. Say, look, I'm cute. Stand up. Say, hey, I'm cute. I'm cute. Hey, I'm cute. Oh. All right, say bye-bye. Say, stop the thing. Stop the video. Stop the video. How old are you? How old are you? Bye, guys.